While preparing a scientific document, we often use mathematical notations and symbols. In this video, we will discuss how to include these mathematical notations and symbols in a document using LaTeX.
In this video, we will learn about basic mathematics in LaTeX. I had created a new document sample and title is Basic Mathematics in LaTeX, and here used to use packages. If we run, this is our document. Okay. Now, first of all, I would like to mention types of mode which are generally used in a document. First one is text mode, and another one is math mode. Normal text come under text mode. Mathematical elements come in math mode. In math mode, there are again two types. First one is inline equations, and another one is display mode. In inline equation, we have to enter mathematical terms between $2, or you have to type equations between the command / begin math or end math. Suppose you write here some x plus y, or you write some x plus 3 here, and let's begin next line. Okay. Control C. Okay. Now next one, another command is you can use parenthesis also. You have to write equation between this, and let it be some y plus 3. Okay. Now if you run this, line x plus y, x plus 3, y plus 3. Okay. Now what is the difference between inline mode and display mode? I'm writing an inline equation. The equation of a straight line is some 2x plus 3y equal to 5, and I have to put this in a $2. Okay, and the slope of this line is okay. Now what about the output? We'll check. Next line, we'll check the equation of straight. This is the output. Equation of straight line is okay. Now in display mode, we will use same example in display mode. Okay, I put two double doors. Okay, for display mode, you have to use two double door, and here also double door. Now let us check what is the difference. Okay, first one the equation, this one, and another one is equation in a separate line. To get mathematical operations, you can directly type plus minus 4 and here equal to, easily available, and other notations for getting star, comma, okay, etc. Let's we run. Okay. Now to get symbols like and, if you directly put this symbol, not about there, this will show error. For getting ands, you must put a slash before and. If you run this, okay. Similarly, for dollar sign also you have to add a slash before dollar. Also for percentage also you have to add. Okay. Now there is another one of the benefit of percentage. If you add percentage before a statement without adding a backslash, let us look at here. Then this term will not appear in your PDF. Let us look at the output. Okay. So if you want to remove any comment, you can add percentage before that comment. You will get all operations from the side panel here. This is operation. From this you will get all operations. If you need multiplication, you can write you have to select symbol from and this, okay, multiplication. The command for multiplication is this one. For example, sum A times B. And one is 8B. For fraction, this is division actually. For fraction, this command is slash frac. This is the command. And for numerator, you add here your numerator sum 2 by 3. Okay. Now, you use same command frac. Here I add one symbol defrac. Now let's look at what's the difference between frac and defrac. So, sometimes we need a fraction in a small size. In some other document, you need big size. So we use defrac and frac as necessary. Okay. Similarly, you can add mathematical symbols, mathematical Greek letters from this alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. If I need a alpha, I have to, and the command is slash alpha. And for beta, just click on beta. Okay. If you need space between alpha and beta, you can add the command slash QUAD, quad. Okay. Now gamma, you can add gamma, and I am adding a space some slash QQUAD. So this is the difference. For the first code, this will give a as we selected 12 pt as our font size. First code give a 12 pt space, and QQ code gives you 12pt 2 times. Now to get some superscript, you have to write equation in dollar. If there is a continuous mathematical terms, this $2 is enough. You have to write mathematical terms between $2. There is no need to put a separate dollar for each mathematical sentence. So if there is a continuous mathematical terms, you can directly put $1 here and another dollar here and write mathematical terms in this space. So if you need x raised to m, you have to write x and superscript m. Okay, the output is like this. Now if you need x raised to m plus 1, if you type like this, x raised to m plus 1, the output will be x raised to m plus 1. So if you need x raised to m plus 1, you have to put a curly bracket here. That is, you have to put m plus 1 in curly bracket. Okay. Now what will be the output? Okay. Now some x raised to 2 by 3 raised x raised to 2 by 3, you have to put in curly bracket. Now for 2 by 3 you have to use frac command, frac 2 x raised to 2 by. Now subscript. Save. This dollar sign xm. For subscript, you have to use underline x. Similarly, as in the superscript, for xm plus 1, you underline xm. If you type xm plus 1, output will be xm plus 1. So you have to put m plus 1 in curly bracket. Okay. Now for trigonometry, for sine, you have to use the command slash sine. For sine x, you have to use slash sine x space. For cos, you have to use slash cos. To get some tan square x slash tan, okay, and you have to this square tan square x, tan square x. Now to get exponential, some e raised to x, if you type like this, this is our output. This is our output. Now you can also use the command slash exponential. Slash exponential raised to x. Sorry, no, slash exponential x. For logarithmic, you can use slash ln or log x, ln x. Log x. Now to get infinity, you can add the comment slash infinity. Now to get the comment epsilon, slash epsilon. Okay. Now all other symbols will be available here. You can see notations like this. Okay. Now to get a vector. Vector A slash vector. You can use some vector. Vector A. Now for getting symbols like x bar, you can use the command slash overline x. Now to get operation as vector A plus B, if you type it like this, slash vector A plus B, what about the output? The arrow size is very small, so for this you can use the command slash overwrite arrow, overwrite arrow. Overwrite arrow. Okay. You got to add some space here, slash QQUAD. Okay. This is the okay. Now similarly for getting some A raised to B raised to C, you have to mark as, you have to use the command A raised to B raised to C. Now to write a sequence xn, we need a xn in curly bracket. For this, you have to type xn in curly bracket, slash left curly bracket, and you have to write the sequence here xn. And let's look at the output. This is sequence xn. And now if you need any other brackets, you can move to this side panel. You'll get different types of brackets. In for group notation, we all need this notation. So let it binary structure. Use this command. L angle and R angle. Let G star be a group. We always use this command. Okay. 2 G star. For mode, norm, etc. will be here. Also other symbols, relation symbols, sum, not equal to, etc. will be available here. Less than or equal to. Now you can directly select symbols from here. Greek symbols, curly bracket, this represents arrows. Function f from A to B. Here, ref is a function slash q. F is a function from A to B. You can use this command. You can use the command for this arrow is long right arrow. You can write. You can use right arrow. This one. Okay. Function from F from A to B. Okay. Similarly, if you use this command in A. This one not equal to B. Also some similarly A related to B. Okay, this one. Okay, now to get command like A congruent to B modem, you can type A. This is the notation. B. For mode you can use M. Congruent to B modem. So space already given. Okay. Now you can directly write mode. Now let's look at what's the difference. If you write like this, then there is a mode in italic format. So we need to put a slash here. This is the command A congruent to B mode M. Now for getting integral, you can use the command slash int integral f of x dx. This was integral f of x. Now for getting limit, you can the same command integral. For getting integral a to b, you have to type in the command slash in underline a, then cap b f of x dx. Okay. Here also usually there is a space between f of x and dx, so we will use the command same. If you add quad, this will give a long distance between f of x and d. For small spaces, you can add slash quad. Okay, and just look at the output. This is the difference. F of x dx. Now normally dx also not appear like this, na? So you can add the comment X. This is okay. If you need integral as a if integral length is a little bit large, just look at another example. Here before in, I am using the command slash display style. Okay. This is the difference between earlier case. If you look at the integral, this is actually not the vertical integral. So to get a vertical integral, we have to use a use package. Now let us look. You have to use this use packages, use package integral, this one, and if you run this with the same command, we will get output like this. Okay. Now it's a vertical format. This is the command slash use package integral WASYSYM. Now to get a summation notation, we always use summation in series. We have to use the command slash sum and some xn. Sigma xn. Okay, for limit you have to use sum summation underline sum 0 x equal to 0, sum n is equal to 0. You have to put n is equal to 0 in a curly bracket, then cap 0 to k. You have to put k in also curly bracket. There is no need to put there is no need to put in curly bracket. So we write equal to 0 to k xn. Now to k plus 1, you have to add a curly bracket here, k plus 1. Okay, if you use display mode here also, slash display style, this is the difference between previous cases. Slash display styles will give you output like this. Now for getting square root of 2, you have to use the command slash sqrt, square root of 3, and if you need cube root of some number, you can type this one with cube root here, cube root of some 7. Okay. Now if you need square root of some 2, you have to write like this /sqrt /sqrt some frac 2/3. This root of square root of 2/3. Now for getting partial derivative, you can use the command /dfrac /partial x /partial y. Okay. Now to get dou square y by dou x square, use same command. Here you have to add dou square. You will replace dou x by y, dou square y by dou y square. Okay. Sorry, dou square y by dou x square. Dou square y by dou x square. Okay. Now for getting d square n by dn square, d raised to nth derivative of dx square x raised to n. Okay. Now if you use the command /mathrm d for this d, and here also we replace this as mathrm d. Output will be raised to n by n. Okay.
Today we have learned basic mathematics in Latex. Hope you have enjoyed the section. If you have any queries, you can contact me through my official mail ID.